In Fire Watch now, crews have made progress on the Virginia Mountains complex, which is burning north of Reno. The complex, which is located west of Pyramid Lake, has burned almost 60,000 acres, but containment has increased to 68%. About 700 firefighters are working to contain the flames at this point. They hope to have full containment by this weekend, as long as the weather continues to cooperate.
And officials gave us a tour of some of the burned area today. As Zach Mooney shows us, the timing of the fires had crews stretched to their limits.
This bulldozer will be used to help repair land damaged in a firefight. This comes a full week after lightning sparked the Virginia Mountain Complex fires.
We're able to prioritize the fires that we had. We had a total of 4 that first day.
The fire crews were dispatched to the Thule fire, quickly diverted, deciding to attack the Rock fire instead. Billy Britt says experience helped him make that decision.
You can tell by what's going on the radio, the activity on the radio, the tone of the voices on the radios of how intense and how complex fires are becoming.
With several agencies covering this area, the Sierra Front fire officials say they can handle about 3 large wildfires at a time. But once a 4th one starts, that's when the tough decisions come in.
So the Rock fire had the first priority due to structure. The Seven Lakes fire was second priority due to proximity of structure. And then the Sage fire was third due to the priority sage-grouse habitat that it was burning in.
This map shows day-by-day growth of each fire. Purple is Friday's total burn area, blue for Saturday. The Thule fire and Anderson fire, which sparked Saturday, had the lowest priorities.
Those were the fires that grew much larger because we just didn't have the resources to deal with those two.
By Saturday, the Rock, Seven Lakes, and Sage were under control. But this blue here shows the Thule fire approaching the Sutcliffe community, putting it at the top of their priority list. Now this green, yellow, and orange area shows how crews protected homes, letting the fire burn to the northeast over the next 3 days. Now Britt says it's just a matter of time before this goes from burnt to burning.
It'll be a couple years before this actually will burn again, before it builds enough cheatgrass in there to carry a fire, but
covering the story, Zach Mooney.
It'll burn again.
Channel 2 News.